Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening as per your time zone. I Aparnika Sahu welcome you all again to my channel Dance with Aparnika. Today we will move on to the third part of Teermanam Adavu 2 and the bowl is Taka Tadi Gi In the third part we have to continue Gi as it is, but before Gi we have to hit or tap one matra each with our right and left foot. 1, 2, Gi na tom. So when you start from the right side, so it will be right 2 Gi na tom, and when you start from the left side, then it will be left 2 Gi na tom with the bowl Taka Tadi Gi na tom. Taka Tadi Gi na tom. In this step, also we will not do anything our hands. Just in number 1 and 2, we have to give a very slight jerk with our hands, just like part 1 and 2. And add Gi na tom. 1, 2, Gi na tom. Taka Tadi 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 Gi na tom. This is the third part of Teermanam Adavu 2. That's all for today. See you soon in my next video. Take care, bye bye, and thank you for watching.